Hello friends, welcome back in the next lecture. In the previous lecture we had already learned about several kind of inequalities which we represent in R2 diagram. It means in R2 plane. So in R2 plane we just derive the points related to the line, and that after that line we may drawn in R2 plane, and such solution exists, right? So this kind of examples were there. So let us start with the new one. 3x plus 2y is less than or equal to 150. X plus 4y is less than or equal to 80. X is less than or equal to 15. And x greater or equal than 0, y greater or equal than. Now we know very well that x greater or equal than 0 and y greater or equal than 0 represents first quadrant, right? So we start with this here. X greater or equal than 0 and y greater or equal than 0. This both represents first quadrant. We know very well that. So our solution region lies in first quadrant is very obvious. Now there are three different lines. See here. The lines are, I write all the lines. Lines are 3x plus 2y is 150, first line. That after x plus 4y is 80, and one more line is x is equals to 15. So I think you know that x equals to 15 is the vertical line, so no need to issue here. This is vertical line. This is vertical line drawn at point 15, 0. You know very well that. Here for this line, let me plot the points on R2 plane. That's why I just take x equals to 0, and that we find the value of y. That after by putting y is 0, we get x is 0. So put x is 0, what we get? Now I think you know that. Putting here 0, 4y is 80. By putting x is 0, 4y is 80 and y is 80 by 4, that's why is 20. I hope you understand it very easily. 4y is 80. See here, I think no need to give the another explanation. 4y is 80, y is 80 by 4, and now put y is 0, then x is directly 80. See, right? Here also for this line, which kind of points are there? Let us see. X and y once again here. By putting x is 0, what about y? I think you easily understand. Put x is 0 here. So 2y is 150. 2y equal to 150. It means y is 75. Y is 75. And y is 0. When we put y is 0, 150 by 3. 150 by 3 is 50. So x is 50 in that case. So there are two different line are there. Let us draw an R2 diagram. So I think all the things is in first quadrant. So let me derive first quadrant. This is the first quadrant. I try to draw in this way. Five, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75 and 80. See here, I just take the distance 5 unit per two lines per line segment. So this line segment contains 5 unit, 5, 5, 10, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and so on. So you know very well that. Similarly here also we plot in this way. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and 50. That after 55 and 60, 65, 70 and is 75. Yes. Oh, so is a very tough situation is going there. But let me plot the point easily. That's why I just taking this kind of process. Origin is here, you know very well that this is 0, 0,75, 5, 10 like this. So 0, 0,75 is here, my friend. 50, 0, second point. This point 50, 0. This is 0, 0,75. You easily observe that. Now 50, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Yes, here is 50. 55, 60, 65. Yes, this is 50. Oh, let us join this 2 point. It's a really difficult work. But let me draw the point with help of my cell phone. I just draw this line with help of my cell phone here. This is the line, right? Representing what? 3x plus 2y is 150. This line representing 3x plus 2y is 150. Okay, my friend. That after I need this line 0, 20. So 5, 10, 15 and 20. 0, 20 is here. And another thing is 80, 0. Oh, is here somewhere. And let me join once again this line. Again I use my cell phone to derive this line. Here is this. Here is this. This is the another line representing what? This line representing x plus 4y is 80. Right? X plus 4y is 80. And now finally we need this x equals to 15 as a vertical line. X equals to 15, 5, 10, 15. So here I have to draw the vertical line at x equals to 15. This is the vertical line x equals to 15. Let me draw here. This line is x equals to 15. This one is x is 15. And now our interesting thing is, where is the solution region? So solution region here depend with this inequality. See, 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 150 is the first one. So 3x plus 2y equals to 150 less than or equal to, so solution region is here. So there are 4 different region, 1, 2, 3 and 4. I just plot all the possible region related to this line, less than or equal to. So here, here, here or here. Okay, now the second thing is x plus 4y also less than or equal to 80. X plus 4y is there. Less than or equal to 80 means there. It means this is the common region. So remove this 2 region easily. And now one more thing. X is also less than or equal to 15. See. So x is also less than or equal to 15. So here is the solution. Yes. Less than or equal to 15. So this is the region known as the solution region. We just make it colored region. So let us make it colored region. So this colored region is the solution related to this inequality. Now JEE question is this: what is the area of this region? Remember that this is not any quadrilateral, so you do not say that area is one kind of quadrilateral. Try to find the area. This is your duty to find the area, right? So try to find this area in homework. But this is the example where we find out the region related to the given inequalities. Now the next question is also related to the inequalities. The inequalities are in the question number 15. Inequalities are x plus 2y is less than or equal to 10. X plus 2y less than or equal to 10. First one. That after x plus y greater or equal than 1. X plus y greater or equal than 1. X minus y less than or equal to 0. X is greater or equal than 0 and y is greater or equal than 0. So x greater or equal than 0, y greater or equal than 0, always representing first quadrant. We know very well that. So there are 3 different lines we have to draw. So lines are, I just write all the lines. First one is x plus 2y equals to 10. x plus y is equals to 1 and x minus y is 0, right? So let us solve this line. Then x and y, put the value. X is 0 here, then y is 5, right? It is very obvious. I think you easily understand now. X is 0, y is 5. Now put y is 0, then x is clearly 10. Here is x and y again. Then here is very easy. X is 0, then y is 1. Y is 0, then x is 1. Is very obvious reason. Here x and y are same. It means this line passes through origin. 0 then 0. 5 then 5. I just write. And 1 then 1. There are several points. 10 then 10 also we may write. Okay, now let us draw. Okay, solution region is in first quadrant thanks to this two inequality. Solution region is in first quadrant. Solution region is in first quadrant. And now let us see what happened here with the graph. We just trying to solve the solution region in first quadrant. Here is. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think no need to derive 8, 9 and 10. Here we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Right, 0 then 5. See, here is origin. I write here. I plot origin as that. Now 0, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 0, 5 is the first point we have to plot there. 10, 0 is here. And let me join again this two point. So let us join these 2 points very easily. Okay, so this is the line which is x plus 2y is equals to 10. X plus 2y is 10. Right, that after this 2 points 0, 1, a simple line passes through here and here. So this is the line, see, just passing through these 2 points. This is the line x plus y is equals to 1. X plus y is equals to 1. Now origin is here for this third line. That after 1, 1, 1, 1 is there, my friend. 1, 1. So that's why this line is exactly passing through origin and 1, 1. Here somewhere is the line, right? This is the line which is known as x minus y is 0. Now how to decide the solution region is very interesting here. But let me see from here. X plus 2y is less than or equal to 10. That's why this portion is the solution region. Less than or equal to 10 here, here, here or here. That after x plus y is greater or equal than 1. X plus y is greater or equal than 1 means either here or maybe here. So these two things is exactly exist. Now x minus y is less than or equal to 0, my dear friend. So either solution region here or here. How we decide? Let us think about this point. What about this point 1, 2 and 3? So I think this point is 3, 1, right? 3, 1 is satisfied or not? This point 3, 1. Let us see. So let 3, 1 point to check x minus y is less than or equal to 0. So 3 minus 1 is 2, less than or equal to 0 is not possible. So therefore our solution region is where? So solution region is this. It means this is the portion where 3, 0 is not there. It means not including 3, 1. Not including 3, 1. This portion or this region is the solution. So therefore solution region is upper region to the line. to the line x minus y is 0, right? So my dear friend, remember it that this kind of region we have. Remember that this is the region. Do not draw here also, right? Draw here because x plus y more than 1, that's why this is the region. Okay, I just derive as a dark region this one. This is the region. Okay, so now this kind of example are going to be over. Now in the next lecture we will deal with the example where both sided inequalities are there. Okay, so that we will discuss in the next lecture. Thank you very much.